Go.
Okay. The car we're gonna buy. 4-door, tinted windows, leather seats. From Acura 1.6. Selling as is. Minor fixable issues. You gotta remember that. Some body damage. How much is some? Okay. Cracked windshield. Reason for selling. Looking to buy a new car. $2,500. Let's make a good offer. Car was just washed in the pictures. Okay.
That feet doesn't take off. Take off?
Hello? Hi, I was looking at your car. The Acura for $2,500.
It's not an Acura, it's a Honda.
Oh, Honda for $2,500.
Yes.
Yeah, where do you live?
Mississauga.
Can you come down to Didnt? I live there.
When?
On the Saturday.
I won't be here.
Okay, Friday.
I'm not going to be here.
When?
I'll be in Jamaica.
When you gonna be here?
I'm here now. I'm here until Thursday.
Okay, how about we meet Wednesday, 4 o'clock?
Wednesday?
4 o'clock. But okay, before I talk about meeting, you say it has minor fixable issues. What's wrong with it?
The front left bumper.
Yeah.
It needs to be painted.
What, you fucked it up, what?
Pardon me?
Cracked windshield. How did the windshield crack?